Welcome back to Fusion Blends, our dedicated community of health enthusiasts. Here at Fusion Blends, we believe in empowering you with the knowledge and skills to lead a healthier, more natural lifestyle. Today, we're delving into the calming realm of herbal teas. We will guide you on how to harness the healing power of herbs to promote a serene and restful sleep. Through our how-to and tutorial videos, you will learn not just about these potent herbs, but also how to grow them in your own backyard. Brace yourselves as we unveil the secrets of nature that could be your key to a tranquil slumber. Join us in our journey towards a healthier, more vibrant life, where nature's power is at your fingertips. First, meet chamomile, a well-loved herb known for its sleep-inducing properties. Chamomile has been cherished for centuries for its calming effects, reducing anxiety and promoting a deep, restful sleep. The magic lies in its compound called apigenin, which binds to specific receptors in your brain, promoting tranquility. To prepare chamomile tea, steep dried chamomile flowers in boiling water for about 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. So, next time when sleep eludes you, remember the soothing effects of chamomile. Next up, lavender the relaxer. That's right, this fragrant herb is not just for your lotion. Lavender has been used for centuries to soothe the mind and body. It's rich in a compound called linalool, which has calming effects that can ease anxiety and promote sleep. To make lavender tea, simply steep dried lavender buds in boiling water for about 5 minutes. The aroma alone is enough to start the relaxation process. With lavender in your cup, embrace a relaxed mind and a peaceful sleep. Last but not least, valerian root, an ancient herb that boosts sleep. Used for centuries, valerian root is revered for its calming properties. It's believed to increase the levels of a chemical known as GABA in the brain, which has a direct impact on your sleep quality. Now, brewing a cup of valerian root tea is as easy as steeping a spoonful of dried root in hot water for 10 minutes, so why not give it a try? Valerian root, a potent sleep booster, could be the missing ingredient in your bedtime routine. So there you have it, 3 herbs that can help you sleep better. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on health and wellness. Before we part ways, we want to know, what's your favorite sleep-inducing herbal tea? Or perhaps you have a personal recipe to share. Comment below and let's brew a community of good sleep and better health.